so tiny. She looks like a little rabbit. What a crazy girl.
The little girl comes out of school crying. She reaches home in tears and tells her mother everything. Mom, some boys at school teased me so much today. I don't want to go to school anymore. I'll stay at home. I'm a girl. How can I stand up to boys? Her mother smiled and gently said, "Come on, dear, let me tell you a story." The British army had surrounded Jhansi from all sides. Cannonballs were raining down on the fort and danger was everywhere. And right in the middle of it all stood the fearless queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, with her little son. But who was this brave queen whose courage was so extraordinary that even her British enemies were forced to admire her? Many years ago, there lived a little girl in Varanasi. Her name was Manikarnika, and everyone lovingly called her Manu. Manu was fearless from a very young age. While other children played, Manu learned horse riding and sword fighting. Time passed and Manu married King Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. And the same Manu became Rani Lakshmi Bai, the queen of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai was very kind and caring. Whenever she saw the people of Jhansi in trouble, she would help them. Once, while going to a temple, she saw around 1,200 people standing outside who needed clothes. The queen immediately ordered her soldiers, "Give clothes to all of them." Even after her marriage, Rani Lakshmi Bai never stopped riding horses or practicing sword fighting. She also had a great understanding of horses. She could sit on a horse just once and tell what kind of horse it was and what its fair value should be. Jhansi was filled with happiness. There was peace and prosperity everywhere. But one day, King Gangadhar Rao fell seriously ill and his health kept getting worse. During his final days in the presence of a British officer, he adopted Damodar Rao so that he could become the next ruler of Jhansi. Soon after, the King Gangadhar Rao passed away. It was a very difficult time for the queen. But after the king's death, the British refused to accept Damodar Rao as the future ruler of Jhansi. The British wanted to take control of Jhansi. They declared, "Jhansi is ours now. You must leave Jhansi." Rani Lakshmi Bai raised her sword and thundered, "What will happen to the people of my Jhansi? I will never give up Jhansi." The queen prepared her army. She even taught women how to fight with swords. Everyone began preparing to defend Jhansi. She was a mother and a warrior too. Then the battle began. The British army had surrounded Jhansi from all sides. Cannonballs were raining down on the fort. Danger was everywhere. But Rani Lakshmi Bai was not afraid. Rani Lakshmi Bai refused to give up. Instead of staying behind her army, she always led from the front in battle. With her army by her side, she broke through the British forces surrounding Jhansi and continued her fight. When Rani Lakshmi Bai was ruling over Gwalior, the British attacked once again. This time, Rani did not have her trained horse. The unfamiliar new horse refused to cross the trench, and Rani Lakshmibai could not escape from there. In the end, Rani Lakshmibai made the ultimate sacrifice on the battlefield, fighting bravely for Jhansi. Even the British admired her courage and bravery. Major General Hurrow said, "I have never seen a warrior so brave or a commander so skilled as Rani Lakshmibai." Her courage and bravery became an unforgettable part of history. So, proudly say, "खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी." The mother finished the story and looked at her daughter. Then she lovingly said, "Being brave doesn't mean you never feel afraid. Being brave means standing up for what is right even when you are afraid." The little girl wiped her tears and smiled. "Mom, I will go to school tomorrow and I won't let anyone think I am weak." The next day, the girl went to school with confidence. When those boys tried to tease her again, this time she stood up to them and said, "Go away, you can't bully me anymore." The two boys got scared and ran away. So, proudly say, "खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी."